Hello learners, I'm Akash. I completed my BTech from NIT Rourkela in the year 2020. Currently, I'm a mathematics teacher. Now let us see how to solve this given question. Here we need to find out the angle between the curves y square equal to 4x and x square plus y square is equal to 5. Okay, this is a straightforward question. The method is also simple. So stay with me, it's gonna be easy. Okay, fine. So to find a short 10-minute introduction. See, to find the angle between curves, we need to first find out their point of intersection, and at the point of intersection, we'll find out the slopes of tangents, and then we'll find out the angle between the slopes of tangents, and then we'll find out the angle between the tangents. That makes the angle between the curves. Okay. Now let's get started. Given curves are this: y square equal to 4x and x square plus y square is equal to 5. Now, to find out the point of intersection, okay, to find out the point of intersection, put y square equal to 4x in this second curve, x square plus y square is equal to 5. You see, in this we already have y square, and our first curve is y square is equal to 4x. So we just need to put y square as 4x. So in place of this y square, you will see 4x. Okay, so x square plus y square is equal to 5 means y square is 4x, right? So x square plus 4x equal to 5. Now bring the 5 to this side. X square plus 4x minus 5 equal to 0. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to factorize. Okay, I'm going to factorize this so that I can get the values of x. Now for factorization, I'm going to write 4x as 5x minus x. Okay. In case if you have difficulty in factorization, tell me in the comments. I'll help you out there. Okay, if I'll do factorization here properly, it will take a lot of time. So write 4x as 5x minus x. Okay, now in these two terms, in the first two terms, take x common. So if I'll take x common, I'll get x into x plus 5, because x square is there, one x is taken out, so I'll get x, and x is taken common, so 5 will remain. Now next, in these two terms, take minus 1 common. Take minus 1 common, so minus 1 into x plus 5 equal to 0. Chalo now. Now in these two terms, take x plus 5 common. Take x plus 5 common. If x plus 5 is taken common, x will remain and minus 1. So I'll get x plus 5 into x minus 1 equal to 0. Fine. Now, so x is minus 5 or x is 1. Okay. Two cases. Now listen carefully. Listen to me carefully. X equal to minus 5 is not possible. Okay. Okay, it's not possible. Why? Because if you'll put x as minus 5 in this, y square equal to 4x, right? See, listen carefully. Y square equal to 4x. So x is minus 5. Y square is minus 20. Do you think a perfect square can be negative? It's not possible, right? We cannot get any real y for this. So x is equal to minus 5 is not possible. Now what is the left out option? X equal to 1. So we only take x equal to 1. And when x equal to 1, y square is nothing but 4 into 1, which is nothing but 4. Y square is 4. When will y square be 4? When y is plus or minus 2. When y is plus or minus 2. So we basically get 2 points of intersections. 2 points of intersection. One is when x is 1, y is 2. Another is when x is 1, y is minus 2. Take the points of intersection as p1 comma 2 and q1 comma minus 2. Okay, this was one part of the question to find out the points of intersection. Now next I need slopes of tangents at this point of intersection. So first I need to find out the slopes of tangents. Slopes of tangent for a curve is nothing but dy by dx. Okay, slope of tangent for a curve is nothing but dy by dx. So I'm going to find out dy by dx for both the curves. My first curve is this, second curve is this. Now differentiate both sides with respect to x for both of them. Now listen to me carefully. Derivative of y square is nothing but 2y into dy by dx, because I am differentiating with respect to x, but my variable is y. So as per chain rule, I get 2y dy by dx equal to, and derivative of x is 1. Derivative of x is 1. Okay, you can see this intermediate step. See, derivative of y square is nothing but 4 derivative of x. This 4 is a constant, so it can come out of the derivative. Fine. So 4 into derivative of x, and derivative of y square, I explained it is 2y dy by dx is nothing but 4. Now in this so derivative of x square plus derivative of y square is equal to derivative of 5. Derivative of x square is 2x, because formula is n x power n minus 1. So 2x, and this is 2y dy by dx. It's again same, right? Derivative of y square is 2y dy by dx. Derivative of 5 is a constant, so derivative of 5 is 0. Now send this 2y to the RHS here. So 4 by 2y, I get dy by dx is nothing but 4 by 2 by 2 ones are 2 2s are, so 2 by y. So I got my first dy by dx here. Now next, here send this 2x to the RHS. So I get 2y dy by dx is nothing but minus 2x. Now send this 2y to the RHS. So dy by dx is nothing but minus 2x by 2y. 2 cancel, minus x by y. Done. I got my dy by dx for the first curve. I got my dy by dx for the second curve. Now the next part is we have to find out slope of tangent at a given point. First let's do it for p, next let us do it for q. Okay, slope of tangent at p is nothing but m1, which is dy by dx at the point 1 comma 2, at the point 1 comma 2. So this is my derivative 2 by 5. In that put 1 comma 2. Okay, x is not there, only y is there, y is 2. So I get 2 by 2, which is nothing but 1. Okay, in this 2 by y, put y as 2. So I get 2 by 2, which is nothing but 1. Hope you guys understand. Any doubts, please come in the comment box. I'll try my best to help you out there. Next, again, for the same point, at the same point, find out the slope of tangent. For this curve, m2 is dy by dx at 1 comma 2. My dy by dx is minus x by y. Okay, my dy by dx is minus x by y. So what I'd get is, I'd get minus 1 by 2. Because it is minus x by y, my point is 1, 2. So x is 1, y is 2. So minus 1 by 2. I hope things are clear. Now I got my m1 and m2. Okay, I got my m1 and m2. The next thing that is left is to find out the angle between the tangents. The formula is, if theta is the angle between the curves at P, okay, then tan theta formula is nothing but mod m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. We already know m1, we already know m2. See, m1 is this 1, m2 is minus 1 by 2. So just substitute some basic calculation. Okay, Maya. So m1 is 1. You guys can check. M1 is 1, m2 is minus 1 by 2. So just substitute. M1 is 1, M2 is minus 1 by 2. So I'm using brackets. So please check how I'm using brackets. So 1 minus of minus 1 by 2 by 1 plus 1 into minus 1 by 2. So 1 minus of minus 1 by 2 is 1 plus 1 by 2 by here 1 into minus half is minus half. So 1 minus half. Just take LCM. Okay, 2 plus 1 by 2 and 2 minus 1 by 2. LCM. 2 to cancel, 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 1. So 3 by 1. Okay, I guess I wrote it as 3 by 2 by 1 by 2. Fine. So 2 to cancel, mod 3 by 1. Mod 3 by 1 is nothing but mod 3. Since 3 is positive, you can take off the mod. So tan theta is nothing but 3 and theta is tan inverse 3. Okay, now this was our angle between the curves at the point P. Next, we also need to find out the angle between the curves at the point Q. But here, let us take a short break of like 30 seconds. And this could work as a tip also for you. See, in exam time, sometimes we get struck. I mean, we get stuck, not struck. Struck means this, getting hit. We get stuck. I mean, we get stop. We stop at a point. We may not be able to go further. So what to do? Sometimes we feel nervous. Sometimes we feel, okay, now what can I do? I'm not able to get it. In such cases, now when you feel that you're not able to do it, it is always nice to take a short 30 seconds break. Like for example, what you could do is, let's say you're writing an exam. Like you can just put the pen aside and just sit straight, sit erect. Generally we bend, right? But you can put the pen down during exam time, I'm telling, or right now also, whenever you feel tired, you can put the pen down and sit straight, and you can just like gaze at different places, look at different places. Like what I used to do is, like I used to look at the corners of the wall, like ceiling. Like ceiling has corners, right? So I just used to gaze here, there for a little while. If you look around too much during exam time, you will be caught because people will assume that you are trying to copy. Just take a short break. Instead of looking also, you can just like close your eyes. I think this would be a bit better. You stopped writing, sit direct and close your eyes, and you can open them and look around a little here and there. These are small things, but these help you, okay, in situations where you feel a bit tensed and you don't know what to do. So a bit relaxation, could change things for you. So this was a tip. So you can stop what you are doing. I mean, just relax. And then by relaxing also, I told you can, move around your neck a little, not too much. Otherwise, again, I told you in exam you'll get caught if you'll do neck exercise like this. Now imagine that you're looking left and right, then obviously you You got, or else you could do this, relaxing the hand like this, tuck tuck. It feels good. This works. I don't think anyone would mind if you do this. Okay, this could work, and you can bend your wrist a little and like that. Some kind of things, some things which could help you relax. So this was a tip. Okay, now let's come back. Now let's find out the angle between the curves at the point Q. Now, for the first curve, dy by dx is 2 by y. For the second curve, okay, fine. For the first curve, dy by dx is 2 by y. Okay, I just wrote it again. So at q1 comma minus 2, the slope of tangent will be 2 by minus 2. Here my y is minus 2. Okay, in this in place of y, put minus 2. So minus 1 m1. Likewise, for the first curve, dy by dx is minus x by y, and my point is 1 comma minus 2. So I get dy by dx at this point 1 comma minus 2. I'm sorry, a mistake here. It is 1 comma minus 2. Okay, it is 1 comma minus 2. Sorry, this is 1 comma minus 2. Okay, editing mistake sometimes. Hope you will forgive me. Hope you will forgive me. Fine. So minus x by y. So x is 1 and y is minus 2. So minus 1 by minus 2. So minus minus get cancelled and 1 by 2. Now I got my m1. I got my m2. Same process. Same process. If theta is the angle between the curves at q, tan theta formula again. So here m1 is minus 1 and m2 is 1 by 2. So minus 1 minus 1 by 2 by 1 plus minus 1 into 1 by 2. So just take LCM here, like minus 1 minus 1 by 2, right? So 2 goes here, minus 2 minus 1 by whole divided by 2, and 1 minus 1 by 2. 1 minus half is half. So minus modulus of minus 3 by 2 by 1 by 2. So to cancel mod minus 3 by 1, it's nothing but mod minus 3 by 1 is nothing but mod minus 3. Mod of minus 3 is nothing but plus 3. So tan theta is 3. And theta is tan inverse minus 3. That's it. We found out the angle between the curves at P. We found out the angle between the curves at Q. This is what they had requested and we are done. So thank you very much for staying with me up till now. Hope you guys like this explanation. In case you like this explanation, please hit the like button. It would encourage me to make many more of such videos. And if this is your first time coming across to my channel, please do subscribe to it.